Hello students, today we'll see exercise 6.3, second question. Okay. Find the values of the unknown x and y in the diagram. So here you can see one triangle, and that among these three interior angles, one is 50, the other one is x and the other one is y. So that x and y we don't know. That's what we are going to find. Okay. So we know by exterior angle property, one exterior angle is given, that is 120, and its interior opposite angles are 50 and x. So using exterior angle property of a triangle, you have to write 50 plus x, sum of the interior opposite angles, is equal to exterior angle, that is 120. So 50 plus x is equal to 120. So how will you find x? X is equal to, you will take this 50 to the other side, so it is 120 minus 50. So the answer is 70 degrees. Understood? Okay. So that's how you have to find. So what did you get? You got the value of x. Now we want to find the value of y. For that we will use the angle sum property of the triangle. Because one value, you already know one value, you want to know one more angle. So that means 50 plus x plus y is equal to 180. That is the angle sum property. That means if you add all the three angles of a triangle, you will get it as 180. In this, you know what is x. So in the place of x, what can you write? You can write 70 plus y is equal to 180. Right? Okay. So 50 plus 70 is 120. 120 plus y is equal to 180. So what is y? Y is equal to 180 minus 120, and that is equal to 60. Understood how to get that? So that's how you have to write next one, that is y. So you got x and y. Understood? Okay. Moving on to the next one. Find the values of the unknown x and y in the diagram. So now you can see, by just seeing this, you can see these two lines are intersecting and these two angles are forming vertically opposite angles, right? Two lines are intersecting. Here they have written 80 and here it is y. So what is y? Using vertically opposite angles property. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So this is 80 means this is also 80. So you got y as 80. Now what will you do? Now you will move on to the angle sum property. Because you can see 50, y and x, all these three are angles of the interior angles of the triangle, right? So 50 plus x plus y, what is it? 50 plus x plus y is equal to 180 degrees. And in that, you know what is y, right? So I will write it here once more. 50 plus x plus y is equal to 180 degrees. And in this 50 plus x plus y. What is y? Y is 80. We got it, right? Is equal to 180 degrees. Yeah. So 50 plus 80. What is 50 plus 80? It is 130 degrees. So 130 plus x is equal to 180 degrees. Now how will you get x? X is equal to, take this 130 to the other side. It is 180 minus 130, and that is equal to 50 degrees. Clear? The thing is that two properties we are using. One is vertically opposite angles are equal, and the second one is angle sum property. Clear? Moving on to the third one. Find the values of the unknown x and y in the diagram. So here you can see one exterior angle also, right? So x is an exterior angle, and 50 and 60 are the interior opposite angles. So how will you find x? X is equal to 50 plus 60. You have to write the reason inside the bracket. Okay, like this you have to write the reason. Why is it so? Okay. So 50 plus 60 is 110. So you got x as 110. So if x is equal to 110, how will you find y? From there itself you can find, or you can use angle sum property. Any one you can find. I will say how is that. X is equal to 100 and, wait 1 minute, I will drop this first. Okay. Right. So here you got x is equal to 110 degrees, right? Now, you know this x and y are linear pair. It is a linear pair, right? So linear pair is supplementary. So what will you get? 180. X plus y is equal to 180. You can write like this. X plus y is equal to 180 degree. Okay. So what is x? So you have to write the reason. What is the reason? Linear pair. You have to write the reason. And what is x? X is equal to 110 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree. So y is equal to 180 minus 110, and that is equal to 70 degrees. So that using this property also you can write. Some may have that confusion whether we can use this property or not. So this is also possible. Okay. Otherwise, what will you do? 50 plus 60 plus y is equal to 180. So using angle sum property you can. Okay. Moving on to the next one. Find the values of the unknown x and y in the diagram. Same thing. These two lines are intersecting. So these two angles will form vertically opposite angles, right? So x is equal to 80. Then you have to use angle sum property. Clear? Now fifth one. Find the values of the unknown x and y in the diagram. So here x and y. No other values are given. It is given x only. All the interior angles are marked as are unknown. X and y. Only one outside one angle on that one 90 degree angle is only given. So first of all, what you have to do is these two lines are intersecting. So 90 and y will be vertically opposite angles. You will directly get y is equal to 90 degree. You have to write the reason as vertically opposite angles. X and x. So how will you write x? That is, they all are interior angles, right? So x plus y is equal to, you have to write the angle sum property, is equal to 180 degree. X plus x is 2x plus y is equal to 180 degree. Okay. 2x plus, what is y? Y is 90 degree, right? So 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 90, it is 90. So x is equal to 90 divided by 2, that is 45 degrees. Understood? That's how you have to find the clear. Easy only, right? Okay. Now moving on to the next one. Find the values of the unknown x and y in the diagram. So how will you find this? Nothing is there. Shall we start? So here x and y, they are vertically opposite angles, right? Anyway, these two lines are intersecting. So these two angles will be forming vertically opposite angles. So this is x and this is y, it's written. So y is also x. Clear? So, okay. So this is x. So inside we got 1x. Here also same thing, vertically opposite angles. So inside it will be, so I will draw it once more here. So this is x. Here also you got it as x. Here x. So inside also x. I'll make it bigger. Sorry. Once more I will write it for you. Okay. Okay. So here x. So inside is x. Here x means this is also x. Here x means inside also x. So what did you get? All the interior angles. That is x, x, x. That is x plus x plus x is equal to 180 degree. X plus x plus x is 3x is equal to 180 degree, right? So what is x? 3x is equal to 180 degree means what is x? X is equal to 180 divided by 3, that is 60 degree. Yeah, so x is equal to 60 degrees. Easy only, right? Nothing is there. But this is how you have to find. So only thing you have to use is three properties. Angle sum property we are using, vertically opposite angles are equal, and exterior angle property. Okay.